Now we are integrating this function given as a 7 times x to the power 2 over 5, right, on the first term, and on the second term we have 8 times x to the power negative 4 over 5. And then so we have to add what sum up between these two functions. So just need to find the antiderivative of this, and then we can actually, since the antiderivative or the integration can be done term by term, so we'll just figure out the antiderivative of the first term, find the antiderivative of the second term, and then just add them together. We can definitely do that. All right, so let's find the antiderivative of the first term, where we have a constant multiply by x to the power 2 over 5. So we can use the constant multiple rule, which is find the antiderivative of x to the power 2 over 5 and then multiply by 7. So we'll multiply 7 with the antiderivative of x to the power 2 over 5. But what is the antiderivative of x to the power 2 over 5? We can use the power rule, right, which is whatever in the power of let's say x. So right now 2 over 5, add 1 in the power, so 2 over 5 plus 1. And what is 2 over 5 plus 1? 2 over 5 plus 1 will be 7 over 5, right? So if that is the case, we'll have 2 over 5 plus 1 will be 7 over 5, and then so we write that down, and then also multiply by the reciprocal of that, the reciprocal of this new power to the function. So then 5 over 7, we'll keep that as a front, right? So like a coefficient. So 5 over 7 times x to the power 7 over 5 is the antiderivative of x to the power 2 over 5. Multiply by 7 is the antiderivative of the first term. And do the same thing here on the next term. So we have plus, right? So there is a constant which is 8, and then multiply by the antiderivative of x to the power negative 4 over 5. And then how do you find the antiderivative of x to the power negative 4 over 5? That will be x to the power negative 4 over 5, right? So negative 4 over 5, negative 4 over 5 plus 1. So we'll have negative 4 over 5. That was the old power. Just add 1 in the power. So negative 4 over 5 plus 1. But what will that be if you simplified? 1 over 5, right? So negative 4 plus 5, so which is just 1, and then divided by 5. So we'll have 1 over 5, okay? So we'll have then 1 over 5, which is negative 4 over 5 plus 1. So we'll do that, add 1 in the power, and whatever is that new power, multiply by that as a coefficient, right? So keep that as a coefficient or multiply by that to the whole function. So we have then 5 over 1 times x to the power 1 over 5 is the antiderivative of x to the power negative 4 over 5, and multiply by that with 8. So that should be the antiderivative of the second term, and then plus, don't forget to add the integration constant, and that should be the antiderivative of this given function over here. But let's try to simplify this. We can see over here 7 is the common factor at the top bottom, so we can cancel that out. So if you do that, we'll have 5 times x to the power 7 over 5, right? And then plus 8 times 5 is 40, divide by 1 is just 1, so sorry, 40, right? So we have 40 times x to the power 1 over 5 plus c is the antiderivative of the given function. So this function whose antiderivative is over here.